Our religion is a path to God. Honestly, medyo nainis ako sa statement na yon. Kaya, although maraming nagre-request sa akin na sagutin ko yung ganitong issue, is medyo hindi ko muna pinagtutuunan ng pansin. Kasi nga, medyo nainis lang ako ng konti. Kasi una, many Catholics ang nagsasabi na the statement of the Pope is non-canonical statement, hindi talaga base sa turo ng simbahan. At meron din nagsasabing heretical. Why? It's because it is like against our dogma na outside of the Catholic Church there is no salvation. So how can it be na it is also a path to God yung mga religion na hindi naman parte ng simbahang Katoliko? And sabi ng CFD director namin dito sa Diocese of Tagum, which he is a doctor in doctor of the scripture na nakapag-aral pa mismo sa Rome. Okay? Syempre pare siya na nag-aral sa Rome as doctor of the scripture. Okay? Sabi niya ito, pag meron kang isang dogma ng Catholic Church na nireject at hindi mo na pinapaniwalaan, it is equivalent that you are excommunicating yourself to the church. Okay? Pag meron ka lang isang dogma na hindi paniniwalaan, so ibig sabihin, you are excommunicating yourself to the church. So, yun. Well, technically, lahat ng religion ay may paniniwala sa Diyos. And most of the religion except yung Satanism, because Satanism talaga, hindi talaga sa Diyos yan. The goal of Satanism is to rebel and to go against the godly religion. So I'm talking about most of the common religion. Okay? Lahat ng mga religion ay may paniniwala sa Diyos. And all of the religion is established to connect and to have relationship with God. Why? Because for those who knows God, knows how to love, because God is love. 1 John 4:8. Okay? The common goal and the common path of all religion is God, which is identified in the Bible that God is love. So, yun, lahat naman siguro ng mga tao ay nagmamahal. And that is the common goal of the religion. Okay. But the question is, ano yung tama o yung perfect path and way for to achieve salvation with God? Yun yung question eh. Okay? I'm not saying this to defend Pope Francis. Okay? I'm saying this because ito lang din yung mga reflection ko. At dahil maraming religion, maraming path patungo sa Diyos na pinapaniwalaan. So God provided the way, the truth, and the life na papunta sa Kanya. And there is no other than Jesus. John 14:6. Okay? Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father before through me. So ibig sabihin, ang tamang daan papunta sa Diyos ay si Kristo. Okay. And that Jesus established a church in Matthew 16:18, which He organized like a flock of sheep in John 10:16, which we call church. And that church we call now as a Catholic Church. At hindi pa rin nababago niyan that outside of the Catholic Church, there is no salvation. Yun lang, and God bless ating lahat.